Discover one of the best-selling QCW laser welding machines, expertly designed for gold and silver jewelry repair. Combining precision, performance, and ease of use, this machine is the perfect tool for jewelers who want professional results with maximum efficiency. Powered by advanced QCW, quasi-continuous wave, laser technology, it delivers stable and controlled energy output, allowing you to perform highly accurate welds on even the most delicate pieces. From ring resizing and chain repair to intricate custom designs, this machine ensures clean, seamless joints with minimal heat impact, protecting the integrity of your jewelry. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to handle and ideal for any workspace, whether it's a small jewelry shop or a professional workshop. The intuitive control system allows quick setup and smooth operation, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. With reduced need for post-processing, faster workflow, and consistent high-quality results, this QCW laser welding machine helps you save time while improving your craftsmanship. Reliable, efficient, and incredibly easy to use, this is the ultimate solution for modern jewelry repair and precision work.